Okay, boys and girls, you have a few more worksheets to do today besides your Bible paper. And this readiness skills paper is a Christmas tree. You're going to color the ornaments and stars on the tree, and then you're going to cut out the tree. So get your scissors out of your box and make sure your parents know you're using them, and cut along the black line all the way around. What shape is this? A triangle. It has 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. Don't forget the tree stand. You have to cut around that. Make it look really pretty, and maybe mommy or daddy will let you hang it in your bedroom with tape or on the refrigerator or something fun. Now, I want to work on a couple blend ladders with you this morning or this afternoon. And we're going to work on blend ladder G, capital G, little g. G says G in your throat, G, like goat. And we're also going to do the blend ladder for R. R says R, R, for ring. Capital R, little r, R says R, for ring. So, I've written them on the chalkboard. We'll start with G, blend ladder. I want you to say them with me for practice. Okay. G says G, A says A, ga, ga, ga. G says G, E says E, ge, ge, ge. G says G, I says I, ge, ge, ge. G says G, O says A, ga, ga, ga. G says G, U says g, g, g. Ga, ge, ge, ga, ga. Good job. Let's do R. R says A says A, ra, ra, ra. R says E says E, re, re, re. R says I says I, ri, ri, ri. R says O says ah, ra, ra, ra. R says U says ra, ra, ra. Ra, re, ri, ra, ra. Let's do them together. Ga, ra. Ge, re. Gi, ri. Ga, ra. Ga, ra. Good job. Now, we have been learning and working on the letter F for a few days. Capital F, little f. F says f, like fox. F says f. Today we're going to start a new letter. And this letter is important to 2 little boys in class, and we'll look at that in a minute. It's the letter J. Capital J, little j. J says J. J like jar. J. Whose name starts with a J? J. Well, Jackson starts with a J. Jackson and Jed. Jed starts with a J. We have 2 boys in class that have J's for the first letter of their name. Capital J's. Now, J is pretty cool. Capital J looks like a fishing hook. He looks like a fishing hook, doesn't he? And little J looks just like his dad, except he fishes in the basement. He's one of our letters that goes into the basement. And look, he has a little dot in the upstairs like little I does. Okay, so let's see how we write J. Capital J starts on the roof. He goes down to the carpet, and then he curves around and up and stop like a fishing hook. Little J starts on the blue dotted line, and he goes down into the basement, and then he curves and hooks. Pick up your pencil and make your dot in the upstairs. Okay, now let's look at our writing paper. Today you're going to trace 3 little J's, 3 capital J's. Don't forget your dots in the upstairs on little J, and there's space for you to practice. Then you're going to circle the picture that begins with a J. J says ja, ja. So listen for ja on these words. First you have a fire truck, jar, jar. This is a jet, jet. This is a jump rope, bird. And do you know what kind of candy this is? It's jelly beans. So fire truck, jar, jet, jump rope, bird, and jelly beans. Circle the pictures that begin with J. And there's one thing I want to tell you about J so you don't get confused. Now, you might see J written like capital J, like a fishing hook, and some people put a hat on him. And that's okay, that's not wrong. But in class, we're not going to make a hat on him. We're just going to start at the roof, go down to the carpet, and make our fishing hook. Our capital J does not have a hat. Okay, good job. You do have a number paper today, and we're going to practice writing the number 9 again. But before we go over that, I want to show you a number that we're going to work on, and it is the number 10. 10. This is going to be the first number we work on that has 2 digits. And remember, number 10 is the dad of the teen family. The teen family. Let's look at our numbers for a minute. So this is the 1 family. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's the 1 family. And then after 9, you start the teen family. And the dad of the teen family is 10. The teen family starts numbers that have 2 digits. So the number 10 has a 1 and then a 0. That's how we know he's a dad. He has a 0 after the first digit. Let's count the teen family. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. That's the teen family. Now, 10 begins with a 1. All of the teen family begin with a 1, just like their dad, number 10. 10 comes after the number 9, comes after number 9. Okay, very good. Now, on your writing paper today, you're going to be writing the number 9 again. You have sailboats, like in the story of Jonah. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. You're going to color the sails and the boats, and then you're going to trace the number 9 in the first boxes. Remember, I want you to trace those first and then write your own number 9 in the last box. Let's review how we write number 9. Pick up these. So you have your box with your dot at the top. First, you're going to make a circle. You go up to the top of the box and around and then back to the dot. And then you don't have to pick up your pencil, just go straight and slant down to the bottom. Number 9. Remember, number 9 has the circle on the top. What other number do we write that has a circle? The number 6. And look, remember 6 has the circle on the bottom. Sometimes we switch those up. 9 has the circle on the top. 6 has the circle on the bottom. Good job. All right.